What's up, guys? Welcome to the LATROBE shop. You know the drill. We've been doing this for years. We take you behind the scenes and show you what's going on in the shop on Wednesdays. So we'll start over here in what I call the Big Bay. We've got a beautiful Chevelle. This belongs to our friend Jason. We previously ceramic coated this car. It is back for an annual inspection. It still looks like the day that we did it. I'm assuming it beaded water just perfectly when we did the wash. Over here we have a Grand Cherokee. This one got some paint protection film installed and it is next up for a ceramic coating. And two blue Ferraris. We've got one, it's not an 812, I forget what they call it, a GTS when it's a convertible, but anyhow, this one, somebody had previously wrapped the front end. We finished the wrap, we ceramic coated the car. It looks excellent. It is ready to go home. Check out that plate, by the way. This one belongs to our friend Wes. Beautiful car. There's a story behind this one. This car is super important to him. We're going to protect the back half since the front is already done. We already did a full paint correction on it, decontamination, all that stuff, so it's ready for film. Then it's gonna get coated. The whole interior is getting detailed, and then Ferrari has this problem with sticky buttons where older Ferraris, as they get hot, a lot of the buttons get like actually sticky and they kind of rub off on your finger. So there is a solution to that, and we're working with the company to get that solved for him as well. And then we've got lots of C8s because we always have lots of C8s. This time we've got a regular C8. This one's getting paint protection film and I believe a coating. We also have a couple GT500s here this week. You can tell that spring is coming. All of the fast cars are coming out. This one got paint protection on the front end and the rocker panels is getting ceramic coated as well. We picked this one up in our enclosed trailer yesterday, so we do offer that service for a fee. And in the tint bay, we've got Terrell tinting a Ram. I don't know that I've seen a Ram this color yet. Have you? Yeah. All right, this car, we love this thing. I love this thing. I love Hellcats. This is a Hellcat Durango. This is a different one that was in here last week. Dante brought this in. Thank you so much, Dante. We are doing a full 10 mil wrap on this thing, ceramic coating inside and out, and window tint. We already tinted the front windows. It's next in line. It's been prepped already, so the film is cut. The car's ready to go. It'll be getting wrapped very soon. And right beside it, our friend Ron from Panicelli Insurance Agency. If you guys need insurance for anything, they cover us basically all of our business insurance, my personal insurance, my car insurance. They're awesome to work with. They're here in Latrobe. He brought us his Mustang. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap as well. And even with all the awesome cars we have here, this one might be my favorite one of the week. This is a GT500 Heritage Edition. And this blue and white combo, I guess this color hasn't been used for many, many years, like 50 or 60 years or something, according to the customer. So it looks awesome. It got paint protection film installed as well as a ceramic coating, and it is pretty much ready to go home. We've got Max's Type R down there. He's one of our paint protection film installers. He's got stealth wrap started. Half satin, half gloss. If you want to see the difference between satin and gloss paint protection, that's a good car to show it on. And then over here we have an Acura Integra. This one is getting window tint. And then a Ford, I think this is a Galaxy. Don't know what year, mid to late 60s if I had to guess. We tinted this thing yesterday, so it came out really, really good. Older cars can be a really, really big challenge to tint, but Nate and Terrell did an awesome job on that one. Up front we have two C8s, one that we had previously vinyl wrapped, and then the Z06. This is a red mist Z06. I think this one's getting a full paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating if I'm not mistaken. So lots of film going down this week in Latrobe. Let's see what Luke is up to in Gibsonia.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through the back of our Gibsonia shop.
In the wash bay, we have Jason working on this 2022 Audi RS3. This is getting a full body paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We are also tinting all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR window tint. Next up, we have the Chevy Camaro. This was in the shop last year for a paint correction and ceramic coating. It is back in for its annual maintenance checkup. The coating was performing great, and it's now awaiting pickup. In the back, we have a extended PPF crew. Special guest, we have Flat Glass Man here. We did an install yesterday on some countertops up in Slippery Rock. So he's in the shop today helping us cut some film for our full wrap of the week, which we have up on the lift here. It's a new 2022 C8 Corvette. This is getting all the carbon black pieces, carbon flash pieces in Ultimate Plus, and then all of the body panels in stealth. So it's gonna be kind of a two-tone look, mainly a full stealth wrap with some accent pieces and gloss. Once that's complete, we're gonna be doing a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Here we have two completed projects. First up is the Rivian R1T. This got our full front clip paint protection film along with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire truck. And secondly, the Ferrari project is finally complete. We did black PPF on the roof, pillars, and the rocker panels, and did all the other painted areas in our stealth paint protection film. Once that was complete, we tinted the 2 front windows and the visor and topped it off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have Ian doing this 2020 Ford Edge ST. This got the back window retinted in 5%, and we're doing a visor on the top of the windshield also in 5%.
That's all we have going on in Gibsonia today. Let's send it down to Miami.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout, Tinting Miami. We're showing you what's going on in the shop this week.
Here we have a 2023 Chevy Corvette C8, received our full front clip PPF, just because he happened to get a rock chip and decided that it's finally time to move forward with it. Here is a 2022 Dodge Charger Red Eye Hellcat. Some of the PPF got damaged over time, so we're just getting that replaced. Here is a 2023 Ram TRX, getting our full stealth PPF conversion from that gloss to that matte finish. Here we have a 2014 Bentley Flying Spur. It had some previous window tint on from the previous owner. We're stripping it off and applying our Expel XR Prime 35% to protect the interior from that sun fading and also heat rejection.
That's all we got going on in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.